Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing how to use 3 different audio interfaces on the Mac all at the same time. On this video we'll be using the irig Pro, the Focusrite 2i2, the Focusrite 8920 all at the same time on a Mac. The first thing to do is to connect all your hardware to your Mac. For this you will need 3 different USB cables, so you will need all the USB ports you can have. So if there's anything that's plugged onto there that you don't need, it's important that you take it out so you will have more space. So this time we have connected the irig Pro using a USB cable. We have connected the Focusrite 2i2 using a USB cable, and we have connected also the Focusrite Scarlett 8920 using a separate USB cable. There's another way of connecting, of increasing your inputs by daisy chaining, but this doesn't work on this setup because it works on another Scarlett 8920 or on an Octoprint. Now we have connected the irig Pro, and there's a pop-up message on the screen asking if we want to use the irig Pro as our audio interface, and we'll just ignore that. The reason why you might want to connect audio interfaces, as we have spoken, is if you want more inputs, or if you just want to use the monitoring from different audio interfaces. For example, if someone else playing a keyboard wants their own headphones, if there's someone else who is playing the guitar and they want their own headphones, and if someone else is singing. Next you go onto Finder and you click on audio MIDI setup, and then you go to plus and you create aggregate devices, and then you highlight the devices you want to use. With me, I started with the Scarlett 8920 because I wanted to be the master, and then I highlighted the other two. On the clock source, you want to set that to be the MIDI interface that you believe has the best capacity. On my case, it's the 8920, which is the one that provides the MIDI clock for all my devices to keep everything running smoothly. Open your DAW. Mine is GarageBand. You go to preferences and you go to MIDI. Your input source would be the aggregate device, and your output will be your aggregate device. That means you are receiving signal from every one of these interfaces, which was selected when we're creating the aggregate devices. And now I can hear what's going on through whichever one of these 3 MIDI interfaces. Because my USB ports are all used up, the MIDI controller, which is my keyboard, is going in through MIDI cables instead of a USB cable. So the MIDI cables are connected to the Scarlett 8920 into the Yamaha keyboard at the back. 2 MIDI cables, one in is one out from the other end, and